July. We can start talking. People are joining. We can start talking.
Hi everyone. Hi. Hello. So I'm also giving a wave, but not over here. I'm giving it in person. Hi Sheetal. Where am I? I'm at our restaurant. I'll tell the name later on.
I'm actually typing here, talking to
Hi Meenakshi. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi. Naina, hi. My next project. I think my next project will be when it comes out. I think everybody will know. I would rather let it come out than just say what it is. Yes, as of now, I am in Mumbai. Hi, Vedika. So, are there any pinkish face? I think that's a reflection of the red that I'm wearing, to be honest. But listen, if you guys have, thank you so much. If you guys have any questions or anything to tell me, because I think, thank you for my hairstyle. Yeah. But this is not my original hair, it's curly actually. It's straightened today, so. Hi Anamika, I've been seeing your work. Very nice stuff. Hi Prachi. Hi Tassu. Hi everyone. So I am just going to say something that I've come live today mainly just to I'm very touched and very happy about all of you guys who's just saying so many things and sending so many things for my birthday. Radhika, a special mention to you, to Shubhrohi fan club. Thank you for all the collages. Thank you for all the videos. Thank you for a lot. It's amazing. Why so beautiful? So sweet. You know, Niti used to always tell me this. Always. Thank you. How is Durban though? Is it extremely cold now? No, it actually means a lot when you guys do so many things for me. Thank you for the birthday. Yeah, actually, I've actually only come because there have been so many people who've been just telling me, please come. And every time I come with someone, because I'm not so good with my life, I keep reading and then trying to, but then there are certain things which go up and down. Thank you. So, a lot of you keep asking me about my skin. There are a lot of you who keep asking me about my hair. I just want to say one thing. It's not only one day. It's an entire process that goes. Don't get excited or don't feel bad that it's too much to do. No. Just eat right, work out correctly. And if there is something which is, deficient or something, just have your multivitamins and all are taken care of. And main thing, just be happy as much as you can. Just keep doing your meditations and that really comes out in your skin. There is no secret to beauty. Can I please tell you that? I have always said this and I will keep saying it. It's just a proper regime that you have to follow, work out properly, please eat properly, drink a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. I can't do without water. So, yes. Thank you, Sameer. Thank you. So, yes. What am I going to do for my birthday? Well, I am going out of town, but most of the time I am either in Dubai or I am either in Goa for Arhan's birthday or my birthday. This year I'm not doing that. Somehow it's not worked out. But yes, I am going out of town in a couple of days and to a place that I've never been. So I'm really excited for that. I have already shopped because that place is not like our weather and temperature. So I think slowly you all will know hopefully, where I'm going. Do I miss the KZK gang? I mean, do I need to actually answer that question? Seriously? Of course I miss them. And I'm bored now of doing Zoom calls. I have told all of them. I said, bus ho gaya abhi Zoom call. Ho gaya abhi. Let's just please meet with masks. I don't mind. We'll keep the social distancing, but let's meet. So, yes. Sorry, I was reading the messages and it went on pause. Oops. Hi Shubhroi fan club, thank you so much. That whole collage of pictures and all, it is so sweet of you, yeah. Really. To all of you who've done that mehnat, thank you. My bond with Hina is very honest, as it is with everybody, and I respect her a lot. I respect her for the person that she is. I respect her for always wanting to work harder and harder, and that's what I love about Hina. Shubhavi, Parth and Shubhavi together again, I don't know. He's been shooting like crazy and I've been busy, so I don't know. The timings are just not matching here, unfortunately. I don't speak Arabic. Oh yes, so by the way, that is one of my favorite songs, and there are a lot. So I love music. I love a lot of music and I love world music. So it's thanks to the reels that people are coming to know. But I love Spanish music, I love Arabic music, but I don't know how to speak Arabic. Sorry. Not yet. I think I should learn now. Thank you, Serish Fatima. Thank you. Yes, Rohit, I do remember you. You've done a painting for me. That was lovely. Yes, Rohit, I do remember. My favorite place. To start with, it's India only. And to begin with, in India, it would be Mumbai only because I'm born and brought up here. So I love this place. Apart from this place, I love London, I love Turkey, I love Dubai also, but that's also a second home, so yeah.
Say something in Gujarati.
Say something in Gujarati? મને ગુજરાતી આવડે છે વાત કરવા. હવે શું કહું હું? So I know Tulu also because by birth I'm a Mangalorean, so I know Tulu also. Your mole on your nose is very lovely. Oh, I know when I don't put makeup and when I don't cover it, it always, I mean, yeah. So this actually came up when I was pregnant with my son and it's just not gone. Ugh, it's okay. What do I like the most about Parth? I think that he's my bachcha. That's what I love. He's my friend. He's a lovely co-star. He's my... That's what I love about him. Thank you, Pranjal. My bond with Erica is, in one word, if I can say, I think two words: honest and priceless. Yeah. नहीं, मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखी है वो कैसी है यारियाँ. I had promised Neeti and Parth, but opportunity ही नहीं मिली. Yeah, the throwback pictures, to be honest with you, there are so many, but they're too personal to put it on social media. I know you all want to know, but yes. What is my favorite color? White. Then after that, it would be black. And I love gold. So this year, somehow, I love blue and green. Bottle green, somehow. My favorite designer, I don't know, there are many designers that I love. As everybody knows, I keep experimenting, I keep trying different stuff, so there are a lot. But in school and college, there were 3 designers who I really was attracted to. One was Manish Arora, the other was Sabyasachi, and Alexandra McQueen. So yeah, during college, it was them.
Favorite food?
Favorite food? Favorite food would be sukha chicken and neer dosa. I'm a Mangalorean, yeah. I would love that only most.
Your favorite song, please?
My favorite song? Lot of them. The most favorite song that has been there for the longest time, and I hear it, is The Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. I love that. My favorite actor in Bollywood would be 2 people. It would be Hrithik Roshan and it would be Shah Rukh Khan.
Most about path.
When is next girl gang meeting? I don't know when that's going to be. Yeah, I think it is tomorrow. Yeah, it's actually in a way tomorrow. So yeah, you are very fit, ma'am. Thank you, but a lot of mehnat goes, huh? I mean, so don't think that it's because I don't believe in starving. Please eat right, work out, drink a lot of water. Please do not starve, because starvation में आपका थोड़ा मतलब weight बहुत जल्दी कम हो जाएगा. But then you lose your hair also, your skin also goes for a toss, and your eyes and everything. So just go slow and steady wins the race. Always remember this. I am not going to say what is the secret of my glowing skin, because there is no secret. Please drink water. Please use a sunscreen. And please eat right. And please use moisturizer because it's winter. The rowdy baby is not coming out. That is not coming out. When will you leak it? By the way, we have a lot of videos like that. So,
What is the name of your name? What is the meaning of your name?
the meaning of my name is actually Shubh is auspicious and Avi is a girl's name, so it's auspicious girl. I know, but I'm not so with live. I don't know. I just get a little. I'm sorry. I'll try my best to come live. Which color dress are you wearing on your birthday? Yeah, I don't plan so much, yeah. But it should be white or it should be black. So that's about it. Okay, Harshal, I love you and I'm going now. I'm going to call you up. So that's my husband. Come on live. Hi, Pankaj. How are you? Okay, hi, Vani. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. I have to go now. Thank you. But before going, I would just like to genuinely mention the pandemic is still going on. You get bored, you get frustrated, whatever it is, please try to keep yourselves as safe as you can. Please take all your vitamin C's and all that. Please. So take care, stay safe, and see you guys. Thank you. Love from India, from all of us to Egypt also, actually. And there was somebody who asked me a question before I went. What was it? Okay. No, I can't see now. Okay. Thank you guys for coming. Sorry for this short one, but thank you for coming.